bottom. I never teeter-totter, and yeah, I see that they hot, but my girl's even hotter, and yeah, they all hot. I'm talking all player, the only thing that ain't hot about them is wallpaper. You know I'm flexing CIB with gamma bars and Colgate University. I tap the bounce on the head, you say what the hell I'm doing? This gamma 5 beta, and they already knew them. Yeah, you know they're putting it down, since they don't want the quality and never go outside. G Phi, you hear them saying it loud, that Colgate University raising the time. G Phi, you know about that. G Phi, put it down on the mat. G Phi, yeah, they coming to get you. G Phi, you know it's official. Oh yeah, it's official. Gamma Phi beta Colgate University. Had to take the shades off for this one, you know. This one coming. Hey. So I came out to tell that skill up on the cell that skill. I'm making moves with the news, so don't forget it. The dancing soul is full, she couldn't roll. Still got brownie bones, so still I'm down to go. But then she said, not with her, not with you, then with who? Said she lived in little blue, it's a little sister too. Yeah, that's cool. I've been down on 2 conditions only. Promise on me, clutching the promise you won't lose me. Let's do this thing. Block the door, hit the rain. Bada boom, bada bang. How you doing? Here's a string. That's just you thought of that. But then the girl asked me, she didn't answer that. It's my life, break for your automatic. And then the girl hit me and then call back. Hey, yeah, you know they putting it down. They say they work the quality and never go out of style. G Phi, you hear them saying it loud. And Colgate University raising the town. G Phi, what you know about that? G Phi, put it down on the mat. G Phi, yeah, they coming to get you. G Phi, you should know it's official. Let's be a bit real. These girls are a big deal. So no surprise when they go on that home and big scrill. Just do my thing, dog. With G Phi, let it sing, y'all. And every my thing, my steam all. But in the way it's like my single. Go boys, yeah, they got them. Them boys, yeah, they bought them. Professors say that a blessing, I would just never doubt them. So if your lady up, Gamma Phi beta girl, she understand I was mad at girl from Arabia. Yeah, you know they putting it down to say they want cause quality will never go out of style. G Phi, you hear them saying it loud, that Colgate University raising the town. G Phi, you know about that. G Phi, put it down on the mat. G Phi, yeah, they coming to get you. G Phi, you should know it's official. Gamma Phi beta. Oh man, I had so much fun with everybody tonight, y'all. Everybody. Seriously, y'all, give yourself a round of applause. You guys are doing such a good service for the community. Really.